Amidst these unprecedented times, we're continuing to invest aggressively in our vision of making optical I/O a reality, and it's starting to pay off in every single direction. As part of our growth, we've expanded to a new office in Emeryville, so we can now do full automated electro-optic testing at the wafer level, and we're starting to show the scalability and the cost effectiveness of our solution. I'm really excited about a recent announcement we made around a consortium of industry players that are all coming together to look at building next generation laser solutions across a variety of emerging photonics applications. The MSA was formed to standardize these WDM sources in the O-band, which we think is going to be the wavelength band of choice for all of these emerging photonic applications. By building on top of the existing standards, it allows developers and suppliers to leverage their investments that they've already made into their current generation of product lines, but we can accelerate their time to market for a new generation of products by reusing the technologies that they already have. We're excited to share some of our recent results from a new batch of chiplets that we received. This new batch of chiplets have already been supplied to some of our close development partners, and they're working to integrate it into their solutions. And at the same time, we're continuing to validate and characterize our chiplets as part of our overall qualification process. Our latest demonstrations are showing both 25 gigabit per second transmitters as well as 25 gigabits per second receivers. On the transmitter side, we're showing full WDM, 8 channel, 8 wavelengths, each at 25 gigabits per second per macro. So this brings us to 200 gigabits per second per macro, which is 200 gigabits per second per fiber. Now our chiplet has a total of 8 macros on it, and today we're showing 4 of these macros functional at 25 gigabits per second, 8 wavelengths. So this brings us to an aggregate bandwidth of 800 gigabits per second on the transmitter side. Now on the receiver side, we're showing better than 1E-12 bit error rate at 25 gigabits per second. And this is important to achieve native error-free transmission in the optical link. In combining the transmitter and receiver, we've been able to achieve an energy efficiency of 4.9 picojoules per bit. There's a lot that's happened in the last few months, and we think the second half of 2020 is going to be just as exciting. So make sure to stay tuned and keep track of what's going on at Ayar Labs.